So welcome students in the online classes. It's been long time. We are in the lockdown. Hope you are utilizing the study materials given to you, the various audios, videos, so students make use of them. Then today we are going to study about the different modification of leaves. So leaves are modified into insectivorous plant. They are also called as carnivorous plants because they feed upon insects. They are found in the swamp area where there is abundance of water but poor supplement of nutrition. So how they get their nutrition? So they trap the insect, then they digest it and get their nutrition. So their digestion also similar to the animal. So the activity occurring in this kind of a plant help them to get their nutrition. So they get their nutrition with the help of their leaves, and this is the modification which we are going to study, the different modification of leaves, how this kind of modification help the plant to get their nutrition. So the three types which we are going to study today are the Venus flytrap, bladderswort, and the third one is the pitcher plant. Let us study one by one with the help of these diagrams and pictures. So pitcher plant is also a modified leaf. So here you can see the picture of a pitcher plant. So they have a deep cavity filled with digestive juices or digestive liquid. The leaf tip form a lead-like structure. You can see here lead-like structure. So as the insect enters in the pitcher plant through the opening, they fall and the lead gets closes. Then the insects get digested in the liquid. The second one which we have to study are the bladderwort. So we say they have the fastest mechanism to trap the insect. They are found more than 220 species. They do not have roots, but they are floating on the water. They have very thin leaves. And the special function they have is to form a bubbles. So bubbles swells up and forms a bag. Let us understand better with the help of this diagram. So the leaves form bubbles and bubbles swells up and then form like a bag, and this bag only trap the insects and get the nutrition. With the help of this picture you will understand better. So this is the fine structure of leaves of bladderswort. The bladderswort leaves forms bubbles and the bubble swells up and then form a bag-like structure. You can see in the picture the opening. So the bag has an opening, that is the entry point which opens only towards inside. And on this opening there are many triggers. Once the insect touch the trigger, they fall into it, and every entry point of the bubble get closes and ingesting the insects. So in this way the bladderwort get their nutrition. And the third part which we are studying is the Venus flytrap. So this is the picture of Venus flytrap. So they are mostly found in the South Carolina, which is in United States. So their leaves are divided into two main parts and they spread a sweet smell which attracts the insect towards itself. Both the sides of the leaves have a sensitive hair-like structure which you are seeing in this picture, the small thin areas. So as the insect touch the hair-like sensitive part, they get close, and the structure of the leaves are made in such a way that after several try the insect cannot come out, and after digesting in, the mouth of the or the leaves will get open again. So in this way Venus flytrap get their nutrition from the insects. So dear students, to make you understand better about Venus flytrap, I brought this clutcher because it is quite similar to that of Venus flytrap. So they also have leaves, okay, and their leaves are divided into two parts, as this is having two parts, okay. So they look something like this, okay, and they have sensitive hair like structure here like, okay, like this sensitive area is there, okay. So as the insect enters here, the mouth of the insectivorous plant, that is Venus flytrap, will get closed, and then it will die, and the enzymes will digest it. So you understood that Venus flytrap leaves are divided into two parts, one part and second part. As the insect sit on that or touch that sensitive area, the mouth or the leaves will get closed, and the insect will get trapped, and the enzyme then later digest it. In this way they get their nutrition.